How to reset algorithm on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of Instagram application on your device. As you do that, here you can see there's no option for update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to tap on open and it will land us to Instagram application over here. So simply make sure you're logged into your account and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down. Now scroll down under the option of what you see. You can see the option of content preferences. So tap on content preferences and here you can see there's no option of reset algorithm. Rather, we just have the option of reset suggested content. So tap on this option and here it asks if we want a fresh start. So just tap on next and tap on reset suggested content over here. Tap on reset just suggested content. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.